mag-ampay yun. Paa mo baka makita sa video. Yung mga paa nyo guys. Charot. Reconnecting. Hello guys. Sorry guys reconnecting kasi lagi. Reconnecting. Hi. Like and share. Like and share guys. Ata si Melvin, nag-iingay pa tayo dito. Like and share. Did you like and share? What did you say? Adam, Wendy. You can make a music video of Little Mermaid and sing it Mermaid, Little Mermaid. Adam. What are you talking about? Ha? Oo nga, nakalagay. Medyo malayo nito masyado. Like and share nga. Like and share guys, my live. So many people can watch my live. I'm here outside the house. Hi, Adam. I hear you. Thank you, Adam. Please like and share my live. Grabe. Sorry guys, you can hear the noise of a prank. I'm sorry for that. Noisy, very noisy. Very noisy. Frog. Hello 3 viewers, hello po. May mga Pinoy ba dyan? May mga Pinoy ba dyan? Guys, nasa labas ako ng bahay. Kaya may pa. Nasa bukid kami, nasa Bicol. Nasa bukid. Ano yun, Daddy? This message okay, is held for review. Okay, we can read it. 3. Ay! Good boy! 5 viewers na! Hello guys! Thank you all for coming. Please come into my live chat. Comment down below guys so I can shout your name out there. Join my live. 4 viewers. Hello Adam. Where are you from, Adam? Hello 5 viewers. Thank you for coming. Guys, gawin yung make it 50. Not only 5 viewers, 50. Make it 50. Uy, 7 na. Sana all. Make it higher, guys. Make it higher. Like and share my live. Charot. Sorry, guys. There's a noise of frog outside the house. I'm here outside the house. Hello, everyone. Hello, 6 viewers. Tulog na yung nanonood. Hello, 6 viewers. Hello po. Kumusta kayo, guys? How are you, guys?